Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create username on Phantom. First thing you do is open up the Phantom wallet app. So after opening up the app, next thing you do is you want to create username. The first thing at the bottom is tap on the A1 at the top, see your account. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and tap on the first option, which is create your username. It's a unique identity for you. So unique identity as unique as your wallet. Now it is very good to create a username because it will help you to say goodbye to long complex addresses and hello to user-friendly identity. It's faster and easier. It will help you to easily send and receive crypto, log into your wallet and connect with friends. To help you to connect any account to your username and to sync across all your devices. So tap on continue. Tap on and then put in the new username you want. Once you've done that, tap on continue. It's as simple as that.